Zebra Tc22. Unboxing and Overview 2023. First, look at the latest handheld mobile computer. The Zebra Tc22 is a cutting-edge handheld mobile computer that has sparked significant interest in the tech world. Its arrival in 2023 brings forth a new wave of innovation, aiming to redefine the handheld device landscape. Introduction to Zebra Tc22. The Zebra Tc22 stands as a pinnacle in handheld mobile computing, designed to meet the evolving needs of businesses and individuals alike. As technology advances, the significance of devices like the Tc22 in optimizing operations and enhancing user experiences becomes more pronounced. Unboxing experience upon receiving the Zebra Tc22, the packaging showcases a sleek design, promising an exciting unboxing experience. The initial impressions convey a sense of sophistication and precision in craftsmanship, design, and build. The Tc22 impresses with its ergonomic design, ensuring comfort during prolonged usage. Its compact form factor, coupled with durable build quality, makes it a reliable companion in various environments. Key features: boasting impressive technical specifications and a plethora of functionalities, the Tc22 delivers exceptional performance. From processing power to intuitive interfaces, it caters to the demands of modern-day users. Performance review. The device showcases remarkable speed and efficiency, enhancing productivity across different tasks. Users experience seamless operation, contributing to a satisfying user journey. Operating system and interface. The interface provides a seamless user experience, allowing for customization to meet specific needs. Its intuitive design simplifies navigation, ensuring accessibility for users of all skill levels. Applications and use cases. The Tc22 finds applications across diverse industries, proving its versatility in retail, logistics, healthcare, and more. Its adaptability in various scenarios underscores its utility and value. Connectivity and networking. With robust wireless capabilities, the Tc22 facilitates seamless connectivity with other devices, enabling efficient data transfer and communication. Battery life and charging. The device's battery life impresses with its longevity, coupled with swift and efficient charging, ensuring uninterrupted usage throughout the day. Comparison with previous models. Comparatively, the Tc22 showcases significant improvements and upgrades from its predecessors, solidifying its position as an evolutionary leap in handheld computing. Price and availability. Analyzing its cost in relation to its features and benefits, coupled with its market availability, provides insights into its accessibility and potential market impact. User feedback and reviews. Gauging customer opinions helps in understanding the Tc22's strengths and areas for improvement, offering a comprehensive perspective for potential users. Future prospects. With continuous advancements in technology, the Tc22 sets the stage for potential developments, shaping the future of handheld mobile computing. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Zebra Tc22 emerges as a commendable device, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with user-centric design, poised to redefine the handheld mobile computing experience. Is the Zebra Tc22 suitable for outdoor use? Yes, the Zebra Tc22 is well-suited for outdoor use. Its durable build and design make it resilient against varying environmental conditions. The device's robustness ensures reliability even in outdoor settings, making it a suitable choice for industries and activities that require mobility and functionality outside traditional indoor spaces. Can the Tc22 be used across different operating systems? The Tc22 operates on the Android operating system, specifically tailored to its functionalities. While primarily designed to work seamlessly within the Android ecosystem, it might have limitations or compatibility issues when trying to operate across different operating systems. The device's optimal performance and features are best experienced within the Android environment. What industries benefit the most from using the Tc22? The Tc22 proves beneficial across various industries due to its versatile functionality. Industries like retail, logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, and field services benefit significantly from its capabilities. Its adaptability in streamlining tasks, managing inventory, enhancing customer service, and facilitating efficient operations makes it a valuable asset in diverse sectors seeking mobility, productivity, and data accuracy. Does the Tc22 come with expandable storage options? Yes, the Tc22 typically offers expandable storage options. It often supports micro SD cards or similar methods for expanding storage capacity, allowing users to increase the device's memory beyond its built-in storage. This feature enables users to store more data, applications, or files as needed, offering flexibility and scalability in storage user. Are there any subscription-based services tied to the Tc22's functionalities? The Tc22 might have optional subscription-based services tied to certain functionalities or features. These services could include software updates, cloud services, or specific applications tailored for business needs. However, the core functionalities of the Tc22 usually operate independently of subscription-based services, providing users with a robust set of features without mandatory subscriptions. Any additional services are typically optional and customizable based on user requirements. Subscribe now for exclusive content and never miss a video. Join our community and hit the subscribe button below.